Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, October 29, 2025. Regal denies claims Ivana Alawi caused delays in SRR filming. Regal, claims involving Miss Ivana Alawi are entirely untrue. Mariing pinabulaanan ng Regal Entertainment Inc. ang mga isyong ipinupukol kay Ivana Alawi at sa produksyon ng Shake, Rattle at Roll, Evil Origins. Kumakalat sa Reddit na frustrated daw ang ibang cast at ang crew ng pelikula dahil sa delay ng shooting nila na di umano'y si Ivana ang dahilan. Nakasaad sa post, so apparently Ivana's doing Shake, Rattle at Roll for this year's MMFF, but word going around is the production has been a mess lately. Staff, co-actors, even the director are getting frustrated kasi she's always the reason for the delays. They've been shooting 4 months already pero hindi pa rin daw tapos. Pansin daw ng mga tao sa set na tanging si Ivana lamang ang hindi nangangamba sa nangyayaring delay. Iyon ay dahil ang producer ng pelikula ay ang alleged billionaire boyfriend ng actress-influencer. Wala raw ng ahas na pagsabihan siya. Dagdag pa sa lumabas na issue, what's making it worse, according to people on set, is that she doesn't seem worried at all, like she knows she won't get in trouble. Rumor has it the producer of the movie is actually her alleged billionaire boyfriend, which might explain why no one's calling her out directly. Pagtatapos ng nag-post, if this is true, that's wild. Imagine being part of the MMFF lineup and still not wrapping up production this close to December. Ayon sa inilabas na official statement ng Regal Entertainment, walang katotohanan ang mga intrigang ito. Saad sa kanilang pahayag, Regal Entertainment, Inc., clarifies that recent online posts about the production of Shake, Rattle and Roll, Evil Origins and false claims involving Miss Ivana Alawi are entirely untrue. The film's production proceeded smoothly and wrapped on schedule, with Miss Alawi demonstrating utmost professionalism and dedication throughout. Nilinaw rin ng Regal na fully funded ang pelikula ng kanilang kumpanya, taliwas sa ipinapakalat na di umano'y ang billionaire boyfriend ng aktres ang namuhunan dito. Shake, Rattle and Roll, Evil Origins is a 100% Regal Entertainment, Inc. project, developed, produced, and financed solely by the company. We urge the public to avoid engaging with unverified information and to rely only on Regal Entertainment's official pages for accurate updates. Ginagampanan ni Ivana sa SRR, Evil Origins ang papel ni Idris, kung saan ang kanyang magulang ay konektado sa isang masquerade ball massacre. Nais niyang imbestigahan ang pangyayari para matulungan ang mga nakaligtas. E-click ang mga link sa description box. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, i-click ang notification bell for more showbiz chika updates at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed, magandang buhay sa lahat, adios.